Freeze it.
Freeze.
Yeah. Move the ball, that ball, move backwards, not that ball. Yeah. So then you can select backwards. No, I want here. Lower. Yes. Perpendicular, straight down. More. Stop. Remember, start from below the nipple. Here, and go up and down like that. Look, just don't be afraid to go up and down, then until you find the right spot. Right, then you play up and down just like that. There, like it there, something like that. You see? That's called the how's that sweeping technique. Fine, I like it. Boom. Right, sometimes books will say to you, yes, go midline, the costal space, blah blah blah. Then it's actually there you are. You've got the kidney, you've got the spleen, the liver, but I want much better good view. Yeah, you're improving it.